Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you on how to check your BIOS and activation date and the version of your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here where you have your startup menu right here. So right click on your startup menu and go ahead and click on run. And this dialog here is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and type this command right here, msinfo32, and hit on OK. And in a few seconds, this window here is going to pop up right here. So for you to check your BIOS version and activation date, go ahead and look for it right here. It's that simple. You can see this particular PC here was activation date was 3rd of the activation date for this is about 26th of 3rd of March 2015. So the date might be different from different PC depending on the time the particular PC was actually activated, and likewise the version is that simple. For more tutorial about Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.